Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the physical sign and the UI that will show text. This matters because Surface GUI aligns text to parts. Use Billboard GUI for 3D facing. Once the part exists, parent a text label to the GUI and set basic properties: size, font, text size. Next, add a script where you will update text label. Text. Make sure you choose local script for client-side interaction and script for server-driven changes, since replication and permissions differ between them. Now you write the logic that changes what appears on the sign. You need a reliable reference, so use wait for child to avoid nil errors. Once you have label, set label. Text directly for static text, or build a string with variables when dynamic content is needed. If players will send text to the sign, use a remote event. Fire from client with input, handle on server to validate and broadcast. This prevents exploits and keeps text authoritative and consistent across clients. Finish by polishing visibility and security. Adjust text label alignment, wrapping, and z-index so text reads clearly at typical camera distances. Then test in both play and server modes. Make sure server updates appear for all players and client-only changes stay local. If things fail, check script type and parent. Local scripts must run in a player context. One key troubleshooting tip. Use print statements and the developer console to confirm your text label reference isn't nil before assigning text. This catches most timing and parenting mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.